In this short tutorial, you will learn how to download and install the Roblox app on your Android device. Roblox is a popular game that allows you to play and create games with friends. It is free to download, making it easy for anyone to start playing. To get started, open up the Google Play Store and then tap on the search button at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Roblox. Then select this exact app from the search results. And then tap on the Install button. The app will automatically download and then install itself. This may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you will see a play button. Tap this button to open Roblox for the first time. Before you can start playing games, you need an account. If you do not have one yet, tap on Sign Up. You will be asked to enter some information like your birthday, username, and password. Gender is optional and can be skipped if you prefer not to share it. After filling out these details, tap Sign Up to create your Roblox account. Now that your account is ready, you can start exploring and playing games on Roblox. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.